Is your car feeling sluggish or struggling to keep up on the road? You're not alone. Many drivers face engine issues that can cause frustration, wasted time, and expensive repairs. Whether it's rough idling, slow acceleration, or poor fuel economy, engine problems can sneak up on you and escalate quickly. But here's the good news. With the right approach, you can catch these issues early and prevent them from becoming costly disasters. In today's video, we will reveal some key steps to make your engine run like new. From spotting the first signs of trouble to using diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact issue, we'll walk you through simple yet effective solutions that can save you a ton of money and keep your car in peak condition. No more waiting for the check engine light to come on. Learn how proactive maintenance and early detection can make all the difference in extending your engine's life and performance. Stick around because we'll dive into the essential tips every car owner should know. Number 1. Early detection is key when it comes to keeping your car running smoothly. Spotting problems early on can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Just like how we pay attention to our own health when we feel off, your car gives you little clues when something's not right under the hood. If you notice anything strange, like sluggish acceleration or rough idling, it could be an early sign that your engine is struggling. These issues might seem small initially, but ignoring them can lead to bigger, more expensive repairs. Catching problems early means you can fix them before they escalate into something more serious. Think of it like a little checkup for your car. Don't wait for the check engine light to flash before you act. A little attention can go a long way in preventing costly engine damage and keeping your ride in top shape for longer. Number 2. Understanding engine issues. Your car's engine is a complex machine, and when something's off, it usually means it is working harder than it should. One common issue is a lean engine. This happens when there isn't enough fuel reaching the engine, forcing it to work harder to maintain performance. When this happens, the engine has to strain, which can cause extra heat and eventually lead to long-term damage if left unchecked. Imagine trying to run a race on an empty stomach. It will be tough, and eventually, something will give. When your engine runs lean, it starts to wear out faster, affecting everything from your fuel efficiency to how the car drives. Understanding these issues and catching them early is crucial to preventing bigger problems down the line. Number 3. Common causes of engine trouble. There are a few usual suspects when it comes to engine trouble, most of which concern your fuel system. Things like a clogged fuel filter, failing fuel pump, dirty fuel injectors, or even faulty sensors can all cause your engine to run lean. When one of these components isn't working properly, the engine doesn't get the right amount of fuel or air mixture it needs to perform at its best. The result? Your car starts to run poorly, and you might notice things like sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, or rough idling. Fuel injectors, in particular, are crucial because they spray fuel into the engine in a precise pattern. If they're dirty or not functioning properly, they can mess up the whole system. Ignoring these issues might seem like no big deal at first, but they can easily snowball into bigger, more expensive fixes if left unattended. Number 4. Recognizing symptoms. It's important to know what to look out for when your engine starts to have problems. Some of the first signs might be easy to miss, but if you catch them early, you can avoid bigger headaches. Slow acceleration is one of the most common symptoms and often indicates that your engine isn't getting the fuel it needs to perform properly. Another red flag is sputtering or jerking while driving. If your car feels like it's hesitating or stuttering, that's a clear sign that something isn't right under the hood. Difficulty starting the engine or having it stall can also point to problems with fuel delivery or ignition. Clean spark plugs, while they might seem good, can indicate insufficient fuel reaching the engine. And of course, the check engine light, though not always specific, should not be ignored. Number 5. Using diagnostic tools. Using the right tools can make all the difference in quickly diagnosing engine problems. One of the most helpful devices is an OBD2 scanner. This little gadget plugs into your car's diagnostic port and shows what might be causing the issue. It can pinpoint problems like faulty sensors or misfires, giving you a clearer picture of what's happening. Think of it as a health check for your car, like when a doctor uses equipment to get to the root of your symptoms. With an OBD2 scanner, you can skip the guesswork, saving time and money on repairs while giving you peace of mind. Number 6. Taking action early. When it comes to engine health, the earlier you act, the better. Inspecting parts like fuel injectors, spark plugs, and filters can help catch small problems before they become major repairs. For example, cleaning fuel injectors regularly can prevent clogging, while checking spark plugs can help avoid misfires. If you notice anything unusual, like hesitation in acceleration or rough idling, don't ignore it. Addressing issues early can save you a lot of money and frustration in the long run. Number 7. Prevention. Prevention is all about staying on top of maintenance. Regularly checking the fuel system, air filters, and spark plugs, and keeping up with oil changes can significantly extend your engine's life. Monitoring your car's performance with an OBD2 scanner can also help detect hidden problems early. Small, consistent efforts, like listening to unusual car sounds or fixing minor issues, can prevent costly repairs and ensure your engine runs smoothly for years. Number 8. Cost-effective fixes. Taking care of small engine problems early is not just good for your car but also for your budget. Minor tasks like replacing faulty sensors, cleaning fuel injectors, or changing clogged filters can prevent more serious damage. Fixing these issues early reduces the risk of putting stress on the engine and saves money in the long run. Number 9. Proactive maintenance. Proactive maintenance is about keeping your car in top shape before problems arise. Regular checks on key systems, addressing weird noises, and staying vigilant about changes in your car's performance can help you avoid unexpected breakdowns. The more proactive you are, the fewer surprises you'll encounter, and your car will run efficiently for longer. There you have it, simple steps to keep your engine running like new. Remember, early detection, proactive maintenance, and quick action when issues arise can make all the difference. What's the most common engine problem you've encountered? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips. Keep your ride smooth, and see you in the next one.